All right, give you a little tour. I'm pulling off the scale now. I'm already empty. This is a dairy farm. So when you come here, when you got the scale, you're gonna go down. You're gonna go down this hill. And when you see the tires, the hill of tires, you make a right, circle on around, especially if you have wheat. Those are hill of tires. Now that's all my wheat I just dropped right there. I opened my doors and I rolled all the way down and dropped it. There's some hay over there with the hill of tires. So he's gonna clean up my mess. All that is my wheat that I dropped. See that whole line? It's over 50,000 pounds, over 25 tons. These two guys, it was nice enough to help me. Thank y'all. There's some kind of soybean meal over there and different stuff like that. Corn, soybean meal, flour, bakery feeds, cookie dough. They feed these cows anything. Now you can see some of the cows in that shed. I'm gonna see, can I get a better pic, better video. See them? All those are milking cows. They're chilling. In that little shed. That's the entrance I came in right there. See that truck, he's gonna head out. I don't know if he's gonna head out on the scale the opposite way, but I scaled out the way I came in. I went around the building, got back on the scale because I just saw one picture. Oh, pizza to go. He not ordering food. They got food there. There's some more cows. More cows. More cows. I'm gonna hop out right here and close my doors. I'm gonna let the air out. I'm gonna leave the doors open. These are my doors down here. Cause all the grain is out. Nothing else is in there. I'm just letting it air out for a breeze so it can, air out. Not to pollute the highways, cause nothing else in there. I've been riding all around. my hopper doors. I'm sure they got a restroom because they got a restaurant, a little decent restaurant there. What I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close the doors. So let's go ahead and do that. Just double check the doors before you load. Make sure they're closed all the way. And this is it. I know it's a long video. So he went back on the scale the other way. I guess you can do that. So I know next time. But nice little dairy farm over here in Montezuma. Peace out, y'all. Cows.